My name is Cecil Migai. I'm from the IT automation team. My role is an IT automation engineer, and mostly we automate internal processes. We have a mobile app that collects data. So we have agents in the field. So they go in different counties, and within those counties we have forests that have been segmented into blocks. They go to the blocks and verify what the farmers have planted. So once they get the data, they submit it to the server, where now we can generate reports and review and monitor. The thinking behind the development of this app, first of all, it was an interaction that we had with the sustainability team, and then we collaborated with them to come up with the tree monitoring solution, which is now SafeTJS. Within the app, we don't just collect trees planted, we also collect how many trees have dried and how many trees have died, and we even capture the reasons. With that information, the sustainable team are able to follow up on the causes and maybe have a mitigation plan around to ensure that we have higher rates. Since 2021, the first 6 months was more about testing and seeing how the app can operate in very difficult situations. Especially within the forest, there are challenges such as network issues. But the good thing is, after the 2.5 years, we've been able to collect data, and even the reports are easily monitored via the portal. The agents that we've worked with, they are a consultancy service that we reached out to. So they help us just to audit and also to ensure that whatever has been planted is what is there, and then also they relay the information to us. They are actually the users of the app. In 2018, Safaricom entered into an agreement with KFS, that is Kenya Forestry Service, and CFA, which is Community Forest Association. The vision behind the collaboration was the objective of offsetting 26% of carbon emission by 2025. How we envision the app evolving, one is bringing other corporates on board. The second one is also making it public for the public to be able to use and make tree planting more fun for the nation. There's an opportunity for IoT, can bring machine learning, because as we collect this data, it's going to be useful for prediction and so many other arrays of opportunity with machine learning. How the app has impacted the community. The fact that we are working with CFAs, we are already creating opportunities for them. First of all, to raise awareness in the environment, to create the air to be less polluted, and also for them to value trees. Then the other initiatives that are created through the planting of trees by corporates. The other aspect is the fact that according to our annual business sustainable report last year, 2023, we had planted 1.3 trees. Out of the 1.3 trees, we had improved the degrading environment. And the number of acres that was reported was about 1,300 acres. And remember, the trees that we are planting are indigenous trees. As we celebrate the International Day of Forest 2024, so I'd like to urge the community at large that let's embrace making our environment better. By planting a tree, you are saving lives, not just for the future generation, but also for ourselves, because this is an ecosystem. The impact is huge, and by us planting the indigenous trees, we are also helping to improve the land that are around. So join us as we make our planet better.